spacing ng Benil Blazers dito sa San Beda. Whenever itong Benil Blazers ang nagtatakbo nung 2-man game, binibigay talaga nila yung empty corner para matanggal yung help side papunta kay Allen Liwag. Ngayon, ang San Beda naman.
Both Bismarck and Allen are determined to put in the work to stop each other in the shaded area. So let's see how the battle of the bigs will play out today. Back to you, Martin and Prince.
Thanks, Aliyah. Trivia on why they're wearing number 34 here. Pareho pang center. As we see AJ Royo here, controlled on the break. That's how you do it, says AJ Royo. And the Red Lions are contesting this one. Alam mo, Prince, akala ko number 34 silang dalawa kasi idol nila si Shaq.
Sasabihin ko ba diba? Dapat, Martin? Kasi yung laro nila parehas, may similarities naman talaga kay Shaq. Although, syempre, yung mga players natin ngayon, dito sa mga players ng San Beda, to instill in their heads na hindi mo pwedeng itira yan, atakihin mo na lang. And now, they're not even closing out that hard. San Beda giving up those open threes para ipasa nila yung bola. Ngayon, napapaganda pa sa Benil.
Yukian repositions at the corner, spins away, misses the floater, gets it back, spray, Tagle, wala pa rin. And Ponsalida collects another offensive board. AJ will attack, AJ scores with the left hand, and the foul.
You know, this is the type of energy na kakailangan nila. Si Ponsalida, again, ulitin ko sa inyo, medyo hindi siya nagagamit the past few games. But you know, whenever na nasa loob yan, makikita mo talaga and makukuha mo talaga sa kanya yung energy na kakailanganin ng bench ninyo and at the same time ng mga tao na nasa loob para ma-uplift yung morals. Coaching career niya, syempre, yung mga players niya talagang nagbabuy-in sa sistema na binibigay niya. Naniniwala sila and malaking bagay yun para sa isang coach kasi makikita mo naman kung ano talaga